Welcome back once again. My name is Victor Odigoma Ohia, and we are still looking at questions, critical questions that come from logarithm of numbers. All right, and in this class, we are going to be handling one of such. Of course, I got these two from Weac exams, so I desire that you stay with me as we look at this question right now. All right, this question says using logarithm table, evaluate 3.68 squared times 6.705 divided by root 0.3581. So quickly, I will write number log. Okay, so this first one is 3.68 and the next one is 6.705. All right, so the characteristics of this is 0 point, and the characteristics of this as well is 0 point. If you are confused about this, we have handled it when we introduced this topic. So look for the first two classes we did on, one is introduction to logarithm of numbers, the other is bar notations, the relationship, and also the relationship existing between standard form and logarithm of numbers. You'll be able to capture this information there. All right. The next is that I'm going to look for the logarithm of this number. Having stated the characteristics, I'll go to my logarithm table and find 36 under 8. So from my logarithm table, they say use logarithm table to evaluate it. So from my logarithm table, I'm looking for 36 under 8. 36 is here. You see it in your, if you are making use of this, just at the edge here, you see 36. And on every other number that is possible, the 4G like this one, 67. You also see 67. This one ended in 54. You turn over here and still go on, you get 67. Okay. Then, like 36 under 8, you are in 36. You follow that line. I have explained this before. Follow that line and go to under, look at 8 here. So you connect it. 36 under 8 is 5658. 5658. So 5658. If there is another digit here, I will follow that line and go to difference. Whatever I see in that difference, I will add it to this last, and then that will be what I will present here. I'm sure that is clear. 67 under 0. 67 under 0. I'm still coming back to handle this. 67, okay. 67 under 0 is 8261. 8261. 8261. Then I'll follow that and go to difference 5. Difference 5 is, the difference 5 is 3. 8261, difference 5 is 3. So I'll add that 3 here. So what I'm going to write here is 8264. 8264. That is what we will get. All right. This value is squared. By implication, this times 2. That's what it means. Okay. So 2 times 8. I think I can do that under here, so that I can now, I hope it will be very clear, not confusing. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me make it over here. equals to 2 times 8 is 16. I will write 6 carry 1. 2 times this is 10 plus 1, 11. I'll write 1 carry 1. 2 times this is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. I'll write 3 carry 1. 2 times this is 10 plus 1, that's 11. I'll write 1 carry 1. 2 times 0 is 0, and then plus that 1. So that will give me equals to, that will give me 1.1316. Then I'll push this one forward 0.8264. Then something will happen because of this multiplication. The logarithm of this will be added to the logarithm of this. So that will be 6 plus this 4. That will be 10. I'll write 0 carry 1, put it here. 2 plus 6 8. Then 3 plus 2 5. 1 plus 8 9. Then 1 plus 0 is 1 point this. So I will bring it here. I will bring it. Okay, let me keep it there and bring in 0.3581. The characteristics of this is bar 1 point. 35 under 8. 35 under 8 difference 1. 35. This is 35 here. Follow that line under 8. Under 8 is 35. Under 8 is 5539. 555539. There's a difference 1 there. Difference 1. Difference 1 is 1. So 5539. If you add 1 here, you write 0, carry 1. You become 5540. 5540. This, there is a root here. It means that this will be divided by 2. That's the meaning. It will be divided by 2. Okay. And you have, let me continue over here. The first value I got was 1.9580. And then I am now working on, let me finish working on it. Or let me do it somewhere here. Then I'll take the value over there. So I said that when you are dividing this by this, 2 cannot divide this. Bring it up, please. You look at the previous classes you've had. You are now going to understand why I said so. Okay, so I will have bar 2 here, and what I'll do to return it to bar 1 is to add 1, then 0.5540, all being divided by 2. So this into this is bar 1. This into this, not possible. Put decimal point and this will be 15. 2 into 15, there will be, into 14 is 7, remainder 1. Into another 15, we will have 7 again, remainder 1. Into 14, 7, and then into 0, 0. Okay, so this value is coming from this numerator, and this is it, 1.9580. And then this value, this one I have here, is coming from this denominator. So I'll put it under here by 1.7770. Now, because this is being divided by this, we will subtract their logarithm. And then that's what I'm going to do now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 5 minus 7, not possible. Take 1 here, put it here. 15 minus 7 is 8. This is remaining 8. 8 minus 7, that's 1. Then I have 1 minus into minus 1. Do you understand that? 1 minus into minus 1. 1 minus into minus 1. That's 1 plus 1, which will give you 2. Okay, so 2 points that. All right. So we are close. So I think we are done with everything we need to do now up to this level. Then finally, what we do now is we find the antilog of this. Having done every other thing that we need to do at this moment, we find the antilog of this. And then we are looking for 0.18, 0.18 under 1. You go to the anti-logarithm table, look for 0.18, 0.18 under 1 is 1517. 1517. Okay, 1517.18 under 1. That is 1517. All right. Okay, there's no difference there. Now, what is the implication of these two? I have explained this several times. The implication of these two is you add 1 to it and it becomes 3. That will be the number of counts before you put your decimal point. So I will count 1, 2, 3 and put my decimal point. This is my final answer from solving this problem using the logarithm table. I am trusting God this explanation is well taken. I'm going to do another more examples that will help us to understand every detail, especially these issues that has to do with pairs, roots, and all that. The last class I did that captured it. This one also captured it. I'm also going to do all these Weac exam level questions. So please, you carefully look at them. Thank you for being there. Like our video, share it to someone you love out there of which this can be of help to. And then, as you are looking at me, click on the the subscription button and also the notification button. It doesn't take anything. Just click on it. All right. What's the essence? It's just so that you'll be notified when we make, further uploads and for you to support us to grow. Don't you want us to grow? Of course, I know you like that. God bless you.